much younger, there's this belt which I always saw my teachers use, and I found it very funny until I became a teenager, and lots of ladies, lots of girls were using the belt on their skirts and shirts, and it was so beautiful. So right now I've realized that this belt is quite unique. We have the normal belt, we have the chain belt, we have the usual belt which people use around their waists, we even have the corsets. Now we also have this crossbody belt. Crossbody belts are also another piece that you can use on your dress, and you really look unique when you have it. So in today's video, I will be teaching you how to make a crossbody. If you are just joining my channel for the first time, you are watching Miss Crafty. Click on the notification bell. If you liked what you saw, please, why not just give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about my videos.